another day with May, where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by March next year. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Today we are making almond milk. First up, make sure you soak your almonds in water for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight though, so they get nice and soft. Now you need to peel your almonds, and by doing this, you need to just take the almond and kind of squish out the skin. It should just fall right off if you've soaked them long enough. Once those are all peeled, go ahead and throw them into your blender along with 800 milliliters of water. Now it's time to add some flavor to your milk. So you can leave it completely plain if you want to. That's your choice, but I like to add a little bit of flavor. Today I'm going to use vanilla bean powder and pumpkin spice. Make sure you add just a little pinch of salt just to really bring out the flavors. And now blend it all up. Now, using either a cheesecloth or a nut milk bag, or if you don't have one of those, you can use a clean tea towel or a clean t-shirt. Go ahead and pour your milk into the bag. Make sure you use a bowl because you don't want it to go everywhere. Now pick up your cheesecloth or nut milk bag or whatever you're using to strain your almond milk and squeeze it to really let all of that milk fall right out. You should be left with a pulpy consistency. Just put that over to the side. You can use that in smoothies if you wish. Now take the milk and pour it into a sealable container and refrigerate it. It should last about 5 to 7 days. And done. Here you have a beautiful, creamy dairy milk alternative. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.